So today, let's make Gomasio in my lovely suribachi. It's a traditional Japanese condiment, and you can just use white sesame seeds, but I'm also going to use black sesame seeds, which are valued in Chinese medicine for nourishing the kidneys and the liver. These are key organs for hormonal balance, energy, and longevity. In Western nutrition, they're packed with antioxidants, calcium, and healthy fats, supporting bone health, heart health, and glowing skin. For women in peri, mid, and post-menopause, black sesame seeds are especially powerful. They help replenish the yin, reduce dryness, and support hormonal regulation. Plus, their high magnesium content can ease stress and improve your sleep. I'm using here 8 parts seed to 1 part salt. So I've got 4 teaspoons of both the black and the white, and I'm going to toast these up and then add them to my suribachi. So here they are, they've been toasted up. I'm adding them to the suribachi, and to this I'm going to also add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. And I'm just going to simply use my wooden grinder to grind these down. In Chinese medicine, the salty flavor directly nourishes the kidney meridian, which governs bone health, brain function, hormonal balance, hair thickness, and the body's ability to relax and renew. Craving salt is often a sign that your kidneys need extra support. Instead of reaching for the processed salty foods, try making Gomasio, a mineral-rich blend of sesame seeds and sea salt, gently nourishing and strengthening your kidneys and the whole energetic meridian system, whilst enhancing flavor in a healthy, balanced way. It's a great condiment to have on the table. If anybody you know craves salty food, then it's telling me that really your kidneys need some support. And whilst salt in itself is not good for the kidneys, that's why we make the Gomasio, so that you're having this salty flavor, but you're not having too much salt. Also, the salt helps to take up the vitamin E from the seeds and bind it in to the salt. It's really handy to have a nice little pot so that this is just on your table and you can just use it whenever you want. If you leave it in the cupboard, you're likely to forget about it. As you can see, you don't have to make it into a fine powder. You can leave some of the seeds. I really like looking at the seeds. And I would say put it in your nice little pot and have it on the table. One of my kids craves salt and he calls this seedy salt. Enjoy, it's good for you.